All right, this is an MBM 306 folding machine. I've got the front panel pulled off. I'm getting ready to rebuild this one. I just thought I'd show you real quick how easy it is to replace the feed tires on this. This is going to be very similar to a 307, 308. There's a lot of folding MBM micro business machine folders that use the same feed tire. You just have to, this is spring loaded, so you just pull this over like that and this pops right out. And then underneath here you'll see what they call a double feed prevention pad. This just pulls right out and it's just a square pad like that, and it sits down in there and you just press it down in there. And then the feed tires, they just pop right off. Okay, so if you just check online, all you got to do, if you're having feeding problems with one of these folder machines, put you some new feed tires on it, put you a double feed prevention pad on it, set this, it's got a little groove right there, and you just line it up with the pin over there, and you just slide this in, line up that pin, and I guarantee you that's going to take care of any kind of feeding problems that you're having going through the machine as far as it feeding in more than one sheet.